Hey everybody, Matthew Morris, Wicio. I'm standing next to a brand new cabinet in my shop, which means it's time for another shop update. All right, well check it out. This is what I've been working on this week here in the shop. I wasn't building furniture, but instead I was building something to hold a whole bunch of things that I bought new for the shop, and especially the woodpecker's slab flattening mill, which I have all the parts for inside, as well as my Triton track saw and its tracks that I have so far. So let's open it up and take a look. So first off, even with the camera wide, it can't get the whole cabinet. It's pretty tall. It is, I believe, 7 feet tall. And I've got a ton of stuff in here. And the reason why it's 7 feet tall is these rails for the slab flattening jig. I have 4 of them, which allows me to connect them together. They are 6 feet in total each. So that means once I connect them, they're 12 feet. So I need to hold 4 of these, 6 feet tall. Below that, I've got the Triton track saw. On the left side of this area over here, I have the track saws, the 2 tracks, for the track saw from Triton, and I need some more. I left room in here because I know I'm going to end up buying more of these, so I can at least cut something 8 feet long to help break down sheet goods. Over here on the other side is the router sled that goes on top of the slab flattening mill, and I built 2 unique shelves. When I say unique, they're cut specifically for this so that it'll support it and stop it from moving. Below it, I've got my domino and my sustainer with dominoes inside of it. Below that is the base for the router sled. So it's a big cabinet just basically to hold a couple of things, right? The flap flattening mill, the track saw, and some of my Festool stuff. But it needed to be big, and I had nowhere else in the shop to store it. So that was really cool. And I realized when I was filming the end of this project was that now I have 3 videos. Well, once I finish editing this and I put it online, I'll have 3 videos for building cabinets in the shop for shop organization, which I think is really cool. So I'm gonna make a playlist. I'll put that playlist here. You're gonna see this video first before you'll see the long video for building this cabinet. And I'll add that to the playlist so you can always check that out later. Maybe save it to watch later, the playlist, for instance, or the video, and you'll be able to then maybe build this cabinet if you have something like this to store. So that's pretty much been it. I haven't been building any furniture because I've been busy on this, but I'm really jazzed at how it came out. I'm really liking it. You know, it's relatively inexpensive, especially compared to what's inside of it cost-wise to hold all of this. And they're just shop cabinets. They're meant to, for me, to not cost a lot, be fast to build so I can get back to working in my shop. And that's exactly what happened here. I did shoot it over the course of 2 weekends, the video for this. And that was because I started on a Sunday instead of a Saturday and the Sunday. So it did take 2 days in total, but that means you can knock this out in a weekend. And if you had full 8-hour days, it'd probably be less than 2 days. I didn't do full 8-hour days each one of those days. So that's pretty much it. Let me know how you store stuff in your shop. Do you build custom cabinets to store things? Do you buy cabinets off the shelf? What do you do? Leave that in the comments below. Let me know otherwise what you've been up to. As always, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you are watching this on Facebook, hit the like button, share your timeline, and head over to the Wicio page and like us there as well. And if you're watching this on IGTV for Instagram, give us a follow, give us a like, and as always, please subscribe. I said that already. Oh, Matthew, and as always, have a great week in your shop. Woo, I'm out. Peace.